میرا خیال ہے کہ یہ ایک ایسا وینچر ہے جس کو اگر آپ ہائی لائٹ کریں گے تو نہ صرف کراچی کے انوائرمنٹ کا بلکہ جو گورنمنٹ کی جو اپنی انیشیٹو اس کو بھی بہت زیادہ اس کے اندر پذیرائی ملے گی.
We are delighted to be part of this. My thanks particularly, if I can say so, to Mr. Channon, to the Sindh Solid Waste Management Board. We are very grateful to your partnership, sir, and for walking with us in that. I suppose from where I sit, I would just emphasize perhaps two words going forward. One for me is sustainability, the other is replication. In many ways, this is just a start. For TFN, we have provided these two hubs.
We can turn this waste into potential source of different income streams. So that's an initiative what we have done in partnership with multiple stakeholders, but Government of Sindh and Sindh Solid Waste Management have been very upfront partners along with Hangzhou. So thank you very much.